You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from Latin, the name of a monk. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including biblical, and from ancient Rome, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The English pronunciation and Latin pronunciation would be different. In Latin, Dionysius Exiguus, but in English, it is generally pronounced, the English pronunciation, Dionysius Exiguus. Dionysius Exiguus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.